Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to install mods in Minecraft. So let's get started. First, close Minecraft and open your browser. Search for Forge and download the installer. Then search for CurseForge and open the site. Find the mod you want, go to the Files section, and pick the version that matches your Minecraft game. Download the mod file. If you don't have it already, download Java from java.com to run the installer. After that, open the folder where the downloaded files are and run the installer. Wait for the installation to complete. After that, open the Run prompt. By pressing the Windows key plus R, type %app data %, and press Enter. Open the Minecraft folder, then the Mods folder. Move your mod file there. Relaunch Minecraft with Forge, and your mod will appear in the Mods menu. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.